that's all different than what you could do. In Fast Edit. Like this is part of Photoshop. That's not something that we really train you on. We just train you how to print with our stuff. So when it comes to that, I'm not in depth with that. I only know little things.
Oh, okay. Alright, so no problem. Then what we'll do is we'll just go into Fast Edit.
From here onwards, all the way until printing the t-shirt.
So we already have this image saved, and then we go into this is Fast Artist here.
You're gonna delete those
So
two.
you need to open up a new layer or restart the whole program. You can close the program and restart it again, so you know which pattern to select. You know the.
Well, it stays there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was in I think it was like sample. Oh no, it was a customer. And then you just click on the other. And then you apply it on this. You could create it that way. That's
Oh,
up to
okay. You
you.
can do this way.
Yeah.
Okay, medium. So just again,
Maybe the medium, she said we should always be
60. Choke.
Choke, what was the choke?
Choke.
Shrinking the white.
Shaking.
And you leave it at the settings. So highlight. Okay. And again, it depends on the image. So this particular image, the way it is, it's not like a square box. So what happens when you choose a smaller choke and stuff? The outlines get a little bit dull because white is not really underneath there that much.
No, choking, what you're doing is, like I said, the white is always bigger
Right.
than the color. So you're just shrinking it to try to be exactly the same.
Okay.
Now, if you choke it too much, you can lose detail, if that's what you're talking about. So let's say if you have a person's hair or something that thin, if you choke it too much, you're going to lose that hair.
Okay.
Yeah, so you will lose that.
So now I have this, and then to make sure it says the
Press F8.
Do me a favor, start it, make it small, and try to position it on the t-shirt. See, like some people say, I want a chest print or a pocket print or something.
Yeah, that's easy. Just
So,
right here.
how would you know where it is landing on the t-shirt?
Oh no.
Left
I
side,
flip
right
it.
side. Right of this is the right of the t-shirt also, and the left of the, or is it vice versa?
Control Z. Oh, you can do
Yeah.
this.
You could Control Z, those commands work on here.
Oh, okay. It's just turn over.
Yeah, because you press the little thingy by mistake.
This is this shirt, where it is on there, so you
No,
can.
what I mean is, this right is the right of the shirt or is it the left of the shirt?
This is.
See, let's say if it is on the right corner here.
She
Well,
said
that's
this is
your-
the top right, right?
This is your top corner over here.
Oh, okay. Top corner.
Yeah, so the right's the right. And
So
the
that's
left's
the
the
top right. Yeah, right is the right and left is the left.
So the pocket is normally on the left. So if you want to put it on a pocket,
Yeah,
it has to be
like that,
here. Put it stays like that. If you want to put it in a pocket, it has to be over here someplace.
And we don't want to code it twice, basically, right? Because it's black. We already.
Yeah, because
otherwise-
you already put it other ways. But the reason I made you do that way on this one is because I did a fade effect on the corner, and you need that fade. You need the fade effect with the first option. The other way would just make it solid.
Okay.
No, we can go edge to edge, just right?
You're gonna want to be inside the outline though.
Yeah.
You could use the arrow buttons to like dab it a little bit.
So this is roughly the center of the street. Oh, can we have grid lines in here or no?
Yes. Maybe do that and so.
about 12 inches on the chest. And we are 2 inches from the top of that.
Make it to the maximum, so how big, to see how big it is on the, well, the whole bladder will get printed.
Oh, what was the...
12 inch by 21 inch.
Yeah, so
Put it
we
in.
can just put it on the top over there. This is right now 11.6, alright. So you said 12 inch was the maximum?
11.75.
Okay. 11.75.
Then 21.
No,
Let's just leave it in here.
17.5.
75. That's the maximum plate area, right?
Yes, inside. Unless you get a different board. The other board is 21.
Oh, okay.
Oversized board. It basically fills in that whole gap.
What happens if the image here is out of these border lines? Is it going
Well,
to damage the
it
head?
should be inside it.
Or is it going to damage the head?
No.
Because it will try to print on the
It's
metal
gonna print
area.
on the metal, it doesn't touch it.
It doesn't touch it.
So it wouldn't do anything to the head. You're just gonna have to clean the metal afterwards.
Okay. I'm on 11.75, so just and you see it like how right now we're playing around with the image. So every move it translates it into a bitmap. Is there any way to just do that at the end? So like, you know, we don't have to wait. No.
No.
Okay.
The speed of the print, the computer is gonna affect that though. If you were to do this on a different computer that we have here, it wouldn't be taking that long.
Okay. Alright, so very good.
You could use the nudges too, if you wanted to move it slowly up.
Okay.
It's gonna take forever because of this computer.
Alright, so I think we're good to go.
What's the speed of this computer? What processor is this one having?
You've had this for years.
Because I want to buy a separate laptop for that one. But maybe tomorrow we'll go see.
I think the new laptops, they don't make
What's this? Pentium
It's
4?
Intel Core.
Core dual processor.
Intel Core Duo processor.
RAM is 4 gigabytes, so actually
That's good. RAM is good. What about what's the speed? How many gigahertz? 2.1.8
1.8.
gigahertz.
okay.
Alright. So let's see. We close that one. Or should you go over that image again? Start.
Yeah, this is done.
So now what's next?
Now we just have to. There's a.
Did you create the white interface for it?
Yeah, from the beginning. When you import the image, it gave an option.
Oh, okay.
Just do it. Otherwise, there's a hat right here. You click the hat and go first. So that option comes, but right now it's not giving because we already did it.
We already did it. So okay. So go for print. So we'll take it to the files.
Print. Print to fast rip or
Mhm.
print?
Print it fast.
The way you were doing it, there was a bar over here, right? How can I see that bar again?
Do it. Go up print it fast.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna bring you to like a print preview.
Oh, okay.
No objects to print press, okay. You have to have that selected here.
Oh, I see.
Now you're gonna have to go into the fast rip setup because remember we have 2-pass mode on right now, so you gotta change it back to normal.
Okay. Go there and change.
So
No,
before
don't send it to print. These 3 little dots brings you to the setup. You gotta change the print mode from right there, the bottom. Folder,
and we can try 1440, right?
if you want.
Is it slower or is it just
Yes,
more?
it's slow.
Okay. So now
Preferences. And then you gotta change it to 1.
what does this button do? Does it ensure that it's not going to print on the side?
No.
Okay. And these are standard board that we have.
Yeah, if you're using standard board, you want to make sure that matches. But once you set it up, it's done.
So the L is the one that's 21 inches?
Yeah, it's the long one.
So let's say click OK. I don't have to hit print again, or I do?
Yeah, you have to press the little printer button to send it to the rep.
Now this time it's not spooling, it's sending direct to the printer.
No.
Because before we what we did
No,
was-
it's sending it to the rip.
Yeah. So,
From the rip, you have to send it to the rip.
Oh, okay. No, this is here.
so we don't need
Right
to spool.
click.
Well, you gotta wait till it generates the preview.
Wait until it.
We can just send it straight.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, initially it's like a learning curve, but once we are used to it, it's going to be just in and out, in and out.
Well, just like Sabrina does it. That's
Yeah.
what she is. She does it all the time.